items that you have constructed.
Oh,
From
okay.
the number of items that you have constructed. Tapos requesting your approval to proceed in the administration of the survey.
Mhm.
So
So
dito
okay ra na
mo,
sa GC, Doc? Okay ra sila sa
sa
GC?
GC lang ma'am, para mas dali ma'am.
Okay.
So tagaan mo time frame, time frame halimbawa next week. Dapat next week ma'am, Monday tomorrow na nakay GC. O karon i-create ang GC karon ma'am niya ipang-upload ni tanan didto niya paghuman i-report sa members advisory committee ang survey questionnaire, ang piloted data instrument, ang Cronbach Alpha result, the IPA result. Tapos mo-request ka to inform nimo sila na you have already done the piloting of the you have piloted your survey questionnaire and it yielded the following results. Cronbach Alpha 0.9 generated 4 factors. Right now I am finalized I have also uploaded here the edited final survey questionnaire requesting for your approval in the conduct of the survey.
Okay.
Nanatay clearance inform na sila ma'am. So after mutubag man sila dili ma'am by next week, importante na inform nimo sila.
Okay. So isaw na lang nako, Doc, dili na nako individual nga ikuanon si Doc Alan.
Ayan na ma'am. Oo,
Okay.
dili na
Sa
ma'am.
GC na
Diretso na
lang.
dito sa GC.
Okay.
Para dili ka magpaabot individually, naaraman tanan dito.
Opo.
So now dalan mo requesting the confirmation of I would like to request the confirmation, the approval of the members of the advisory committee to proceed in the conduct of the survey.
Okay, sige, Doc. Within this week ako gyud nang ikuanon, Doc, trabaho
Pasunod
ko.
mo ma'am, kaya at least kung ma-submit, ma-upload din mo by next week sa ila on Monday, tomorrow. So, within this week tapos katanan. So, pwede ka within this month matapos na nimo tanang survey nimo ma'am.
Hopefully.
Targeta ma'am nga mahuman imong survey within this week, within this month rather. Then after you have done the survey, proceed to data processing and interpretations of the results. Write-ups din ka. Habula ang month of May nga maka-final defense ka sa last week sa May or first week of June. Worst na schedule would be first week of June, but if possible, make your final defense on the last week of May.
Sige, Doc. Paningkamutan ako.
Sige, ma'am. Sige.
Sige, Doc. Thank you kaayo.
Pwede ka mag-create karon ma'am og GC. Ya dito na nimo
Na
i-upload.
naman to, na-create na nako, Doc, kato ganing nag-defense me.
Okay. So, if that is the case, ma'am, kung na kay GC, upload all the results and request the approval of the members of the advisory committee to proceed in the data collection.
Okay. Sige,
Yeah,
Doc.
sige. Good luck, ma'am. Good luck.
Hinaot pa, Doc. Thank you kayo, Doc, ha?
Sige, okay. No worries, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Okay, thank you.